fantastic tour with a very friendly guide. It lasted 2 hours and there were only 2 of us. We would definitely recommend it. I loved this outing. Matt is very attentive to his students, very informative, and the mangrove is magical. I would do it again. Cyril is an absolute king. We had an absolute blast paddling through the mangroves with him. It wasn't too difficult, but we covered a lot of ground. He did a great job of explaining the sea life and the topography. Many thanks for a great day on the water. A fantastic family outing. My 8-year-old daughter even rode on the guide's paddleboard. A peaceful boat trip through the mangroves, where we saw red-legged crabs. Highly recommended. An excellent activity, with interesting explanations of the local flora and fauna. The guide was truly engaged and very friendly. He even took photos and sent them to you afterwards. Accessible even to beginners, I highly recommend it. Excellent paddleboarding experience. And a wonderful exploration of the mangroves with explanations from our guide, Matt, who was also very friendly. My daughter and I loved it. Not only was it a great paddleboarding experience, but we learned a lot about the Guadeloupe ecosystem. A fantastic experience with Matt. It was our first time paddleboarding, and his explanations were clear and effective, as we didn't fall in at all. The setting was stunning, and our guide provided passionate and engaging commentary. We highly recommend it. Matt is very welcoming and attentive. The paddleboarding excursion was incredible, thanks to Matt's extensive knowledge of this remote location. He explained the entire history of the mangrove, its benefits, and its importance to the biodiversity and protection of this beautiful island. Thank you again. The tour was excellent. The guide had everything prepared for us, explained the tour's itinerary at the beginning, and then we were off. On the water, we not only learned how to stand up paddleboard, but also all sorts of things about mangroves, the flora and fauna, and climate change. We also enjoyed refreshing lemonade and a beautiful sunset at the end. A highly recommended tour, a fantastic guide, and a truly unique experience. Matt is an engaging and passionate guide who took us on a paddleboarding adventure through the mangroves. The level of fitness is accessible to everyone. Great paddleboarding experience. Our guide was patient, helpful, and informative. Great tour through the mango trees, an experience we never would have had on my own. Definitely an activity you should include in your vacation.